Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank signature field on your PDF fillable form. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat Pro, then head over and open up your PDF fillable form file. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Edit, then scroll down, then click on Prepare a Form. Then next, in the left panel, you should see the digital signature component. So just click on it. Then next, all you have to do is stamp it in your fillable PDF file. So from here, we're just going to switch to Select Tool. Now here, double click on the field to modify settings, appearance, and properties of this signature field. And in the general section, you can change the name for the signature field. Then next, you can also make the signature field required. Just tick the required box. You can also modify the appearance of this field. You can change the font, change the position and actions. Then what happens when this field is signed? So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!